Hey you guys, we are back in Laughlin. We're really excited. It's kind of a dreary day here, but we're still excited to be back in Laughlin. And as you can see, we're just heading into town. A little bit of rain, not too bad right now. But this trip, we are staying at the Aquarius, which we've stayed there before, but it's been a while. And so we're looking forward to trying it again and seeing what we think about our room and our overall experience there at the hotel. And be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video. We'll let you know what we thought after it's all said and done. Okay, you guys, we're in room 9072 here at the Aquarius in Laughlin. You walk in, and here is the restroom right when you walk in. Small vanity, not a ton of counter space, so to figure that out. Dirty mirror. Look how dirty that mirror is. Yeah. Commode, and it's like pretty basic, you know, dated, but it looks clean at least. Bathroom tub combo. Definitely let you know about the pressure and the temperature. And here we have the open closet format, but at least there's quite a bit of room there. Hang some things up. Coming in, 2 queen beds. You know, there's a little room in between, which we like that. This one has a small TV too. It looks like a computer monitor, kind of. Yeah. And then we do have a fridge.
And it is cold.
Oh, we like that. We've had issues many places. And we have a pod style coffee maker, so we don't have to drag ours in from the car, which we always appreciate. It's very cloudy today and kind of rainy, but we have a really nice view, actually. We were trying to get up to a higher floor, but we couldn't get one, so this isn't too bad though. Pretty nice. So as you can see, it's pretty cloudy and rainy, but we'll let you know what we think of our stay. So stay tuned for the end of the video and we'll let you know our thoughts. Hey you guys, we just are leaving Laughlin and wanted to give you a recap of our stay at the Aquarius. Overall, I think we really had a good experience.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, you know, it's not like fancy schmancy by any means. You know, it's dated. That being said, it's very well maintained.
Very clean.
Very clean. You know, it's not like the carpet's gross or the bathroom's gross or anything. I mean, everything was very clean, and the air conditioning worked great. It wasn't like weirdly cycling or anything, which I always hear in the middle of the night. Kept the room nice and comfy. We were actually cold our first night. We had to call down for some blankets, and they delivered our blankets in like 5 minutes.
I know, it was incredible. The housekeeping staff there is really amazing. They came every day and did a great job. They were very thorough, left us extra towels.
Yeah,
you know.
agree. Because, you know, recently our experiences have been, it's tough to get daily service.
Yeah, right.
You know, and we really do like it. Just, you know, emptying the trash. And
they
all
give
that
you
stuff.
full-size waters every day, which, you know, matters.
Which is nice. Because they do have a pod-style coffee maker, as you saw in the video. And that worked great. Really hot coffee. And the refrigerator worked great.
Yeah.
Shower, good pressure, good temp, which we don't always find either. Comfy bed, pillows.
Pillow sheets, everything was really comfortable.
It really was, yeah. And, you know, we were here on St. Patrick's Day holiday weekend, and it was absolutely packed. I mean, the casino, we haven't seen it that way in a really long time. And that being said, we never once waited for the elevator.
No, the elevators were so fast. It was amazing.
Yeah, because like when we've stayed at Riverside and
or
even
Harrah's, or
you find yourself standing in that line.
Broken elevators, or
right. I mean, just like you don't even want to, you know, go back and forth to the room unless you have to. So I think we were both pleasantly surprised with that. Check-in was easy.
For a Friday, we got right in. It was amazing.
Yeah, and we were there. I can't remember what time it was, but it wasn't like
1 or 2,
I mean, we were pretty
something
early
like that. Yeah,
for an early check-in. Weren't charged or anything, and the parking structure is very convenient to the California Tower.
Yeah,
so that's
where
we were,
Tower,
and really easy getting your luggage in and out. So that we definitely recommend the California Tower. We had a nice view.
Yeah, you'll see on the video we had a beautiful view of the river, and I was really amazed at how clean they've got floor-to-ceiling windows, and how clean the windows were. Because the last few hotels we stayed in Laughlin, the windows are usually pretty dirty.
I know, and you have this beautiful view.
I know,
and
but
like,
it's a dirty window.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
it was
so
impressive.
Yeah, I agree. And like what that tells me is if they're, you know, having staff clean the windows, and like the rest of the room is clean too. So that just makes you feel better as well. But I mean, overall, I think it was just a great stay. We actually had no issues this time with anything, which is kind of phenomenal.
If you saw our review on the Golden Nugget, we like this hotel much better.
Yeah, it just seems to be better maintained. It's cleaner. It just feels better for sure.
You know, I really do think Aquarius has the nicest casino.
Yeah.
I mean, gambling, I think we were up and down, but you know, did pretty well. I mean, I did really well my first day there. So I mean, you know, it's like any casino. Sometimes you win, and other times not so much.
I think they definitely have the best variety of slot machines.
They've got a lot of games.
And they actually have a lot of video poker too.